Welcome to another bite-sized update on all things fascinating. Today we delve into the prehistoric world of dinosaurs. First up, diversity. Dinosaurs were incredibly varied, from the towering Brachiosaurus to the bird-like Microraptor. Next, let's talk about birds. Yes, birds. They're the direct descendants of dinosaurs, representing the only living lineage of these ancient creatures. Thirdly, rapid growth. Some dinosaurs, like the Brachiosaurus, grew to massive sizes in a mere 10 to 20 years. Fourth on our list, feathered findings. Many dinosaurs, including the Velociraptor, likely sported feathers, challenging the scaly stereotype. Finally, mass extinction. Dinosaurs met their end around 66 million years ago, likely due to an asteroid impact causing significant environmental changes. There you have it. Top 5 facts about dinosaurs. Don't forget to like and subscribe to 780